Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Ham Egg Katsu. Ham Katsu or ham cutlet is very popular and it's delicious. Today I'm going to put fried egg in it to make it even better. Let's get started. These are what you need to make 2 Ham Egg Katsu. 2 eggs, half a cup all-purpose flour, some salt and pepper, ham, 8 slices of ham, and panko breadcrumb. This is very thinly sliced ham, so if you are using 6 slices, you just need 4 slices. Let's make fried egg first. Put some vegetable oil in the frying pan and heat it up. Okay, it's hot enough, so let's put the eggs. And using spatula, push the egg white to make the egg into about the same size with your ham. When the bottom side is nice and firm, let's flip it over gently. Try not to break the egg yolk. When the bottom side is nice and firm too, take them out. I kept the egg yolk still runny inside, but you can cook as you like. Now I'm going to sum the eggs using this ham. Put 2 slices of ham, little bit of salt and pepper, eggs, salt and pepper, and 2 slices of ham on top. Now I'm going to break them, so let's make the batter. Half a cup water into half a cup all-purpose flour. Mix it well, and the batter is ready. Ham and egg into the batter. Then panko breadcrumb. Put some panko on top. Gently press it down so the panko stays well. It's all covered with panko. I'm heating up some canola oil in the frying pan over medium heat. Let's check the temperature. Drop a little bit of butter. And if it hits the bottom and comes up immediately, just like it did, this is the perfect temperature. So let's put them into the oil. Don't throw it in, slide it in. And fry them for 1 minute on each side. So let's flip them over. Golden brown on both sides, so let's take them out and drain. Let it sit for 5 minutes to settle. When you have leftover panko, don't throw it away. Just keep it in a freezer bag like this, seal it tight and freeze. And you can use it when you want to make fries next time. Okay, let's cut and see how it looks inside. The egg yolk is still slightly runny and it looks delicious. Let's put some shredded cabbage as a pillow. And the katsu. Ham Egg Katsu is ready to go. for the tasting. Let's put some tonkatsu sauce. And いただきます。Panko is so crispy and egg yolk is very creamy. Delicious. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!